So if you want to create a password protected section for your website, you can do so by creating a members login portal. And this can be useful for allowing certain pages to be accessed by colleagues or for allowing content to be accessed by members who are paying for subscriptions or other kind of premium plans. So let's find out how to set that up. So I go here to the left on the add button. If I scroll down to the bottom, there's a section here that says members, and I can click add to site. And Wix generates a customizable membership form. So you can go in here, click settings, and you can change the member's profile card. Let's customize it. So you can change the layout to be cards or full width. I'll go with cards. You can change if your profile image is a circle or a square. We can change the design of the colors. And you can go in and edit the account section and choose what kind of info you want to collect from site members. So by default, the first name and last name will be collected. You can collect email, phone, address. And if you go to the design section, you can also change the colors here. And you can change the different types of fonts. So let me show you two methods of how you can create a members area and make it useful for your website. So I've created a members area for anybody who wants to access the free content in terms of free music courses. And so what happens is if a member wants to access a free course, they've got to click on this button here, and it's linked to the page of the course. And in order to access the page of the course, they have to have a membership. So they have to sign up in order to be able to access that page. So let's have a look at how it looks on the actual website. Now, as soon as they click the course, it's a password protected page. So they would need to have a membership in order to be able to access the page. So they could sign up for a new account, or if they've already got a membership, they can log in with their email. And so once they're logged in, they're able to access this page. So in order to make this page only accessible to members, we've got to go here to manage pages. And click here on the triple dots of the page, and you go to settings, and you go to permissions, and you have to select members only here. So in this way, you can make the page restricted just for members. You can also customize which sort of members are allowed to access this, or you can create pricing plans. Now, an alternative method of creating a membership section is you have a members page. So here's another way you can make a useful members page. So I could create a sign up page, and the sign up page would take me to the members area. And in the members area, I can put all the membership content available. After I log in, I can get into the members area, and then I can access all the free courses available in the members area. So just some ideas to help you to think about creating a membership page and helping you to limit who can access content on your website. Check it out.